Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to make Pinterest account public. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to launch your Pinterest account and make sure that you're using the updated and latest version of your Pinterest application. So at the bottom right corner, click your profile. And then once you're here, you just have to click this gear icon at the top right corner, or shall we say settings. Tap this one. Now scroll down and look for profile visibility. And as you can see, if I'm going to turn this one on and go back to my Pinterest profile and refresh, you will see this lock icon here. That means my account is private. To set this to public, go back to your settings, go to profile visibility and turn this one off. So when you turn this one off, that means your profile is now public. If you go back to your profile and refresh it again, you will notice that the lock icon has been removed. That means your account is now public. So that's how easy it is. Just do the same method if you want to set it to private. So that's how easy it is to make Pinterest account public. So I hope that you have learned something from this video.
Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.